Hey everybody, I just want to cover this one really quick. We have a problem 9 plus 1 plus 9 plus 1 times 0 plus 1. The only correct answer here is 20. And what I will see a lot of people do is they'll say, well, you just solve left to right if there's no parentheses. This is a scientific calculator. It's an Android phone calculator. This is programmed for the order of operations. Be careful what type of calculator you use. If you use a cheap dollar store calculator, they do not take an entire expression properly when you hit the equal sign. You'd have to use a different calculator. So this calculator here shows the answer is 20. Now people will say, no, you need parentheses around the multiplication. No, you don't. Guess what? You need parentheses to get the answer of 1. You'd have to put parentheses around 9 plus 1 plus 9 plus 1, and then multiply that whole thing by 0, and then add 1 to get 1. So when people say you have to put parentheses around the multiplication, they forgot the order of operations. Multiplication already has precedence over addition. And the other thing to keep in mind is you've got this really old formula called the area of a circle. A equals pi r squared. Guess what? It follows the order of operations because order of operations is basically parentheses, exponents, multiplication, division, addition, then subtraction. Well, it's actually addition and subtraction. They're equal precedence. There's only 4 steps. You have parentheses, then you have exponents. Exponents are nothing more than shorthand for repeated multiplication. So you solve the r squared before you multiply by pi. Guess what? There's no parentheses in this formula. There's no parentheses. And you do the r squared before you multiply by pi. Gee, why is that? Because exponents have priority over multiplication. You do not multiply pi times r before you solve r squared because exponents have priority over multiplication. And you skip steps if they're not there. If you don't have parentheses, you then look for exponents. Ooh, we have them, r squared. You solve r squared. Then you go to the next step. Ooh, we got multiplication. So we multiply pi times the r squared. This is the order of operations. This is how it works, folks.